peace, and wellness. Goddess Azima Dora here. And I wanted to talk to you guys today. I've been crying off and on for the past 2, maybe 3 hours. And I just wanted y'all to know, as a woman, we go through so many hormonal shifts. And it's okay to cry. It's okay to be sad. It's okay to feel the feelings, the hormones, because they're going to shift. They're going to wax and wane. They're going to be crescent. They're going to be full. And if we don't accept that, it could be overwhelming. So guys, brothers, husbands, please give grace to your women, your sisters, your mothers. We shift and we change and we go through the different changes all the time. So give grace and love, forgiveness and peace.